Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to walk you through exactly how to delete My Account from Uber using your mobile device. This guide will help you navigate the privacy settings to ensure your profile and personal data are removed securely and permanently. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open your Uber app on your smartphone and make sure you are logged into the specific profile you wish to close. This is the first essential step to access the internal dashboard where all of your account information and private security settings are managed. Step 2 is to tap on Account at the bottom right corner of the screen to open up your primary navigation menu and Profile Hub. This section is important because it serves as the central location for managing your travel history, payment methods, and account security tools. Step 3 is to then click on the profile icon at the top right of the page to access your detailed account configuration and administrative options. This step is necessary to enter the deeper layer of the app, where sensitive information and data management tools are securely housed for your protection. Step 4 is to tap on Privacy and Data to enter the specific area of the app dedicated to managing your digital footprint and personal records. This menu is crucial because it gives you direct control over how the platform handles your information and provides the official path for account closure. Step 5 is to tap on the Privacy Center, which acts as a specialized dashboard for all of your personal privacy rights and data management preferences. Entering the Privacy Center is a vital step because it contains the verified tools provided by the company to initiate a formal and secure account deactivation. Step 6 is to now scroll to the bottom, then tap on Account Deletion to officially begin the process of removing your profile from the company service. This option is located at the very end of the list to ensure you have reviewed all other privacy settings before making this final and permanent change. Step 7 is to then click on Accept and then Verify by code to prove that you are the authorized owner requesting this sensitive account action. This security measure is extremely important because it uses a unique code sent to your phone or email to prevent unauthorized individuals from erasing your account. Step 8 is to click on Continue to delete your account once the identity verification process has been successfully completed and confirmed. Selecting this final option will trigger a temporary deactivation period, after which your ride history and all personal data will be completely erased from the platform. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.